This Smart TV's local preview walks through Toshiba Fire TV remote fix. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. Start simple. Replace both batteries, check polarity, and stand close to the Toshiba Fire TV before pairing again. Hold left, menu, and back together for about 12 seconds. Then release and remove the batteries briefly. Unplug the TV for about a minute. Reinsert the remote batteries after the TV begins to boot again. When the TV is back on, hold home for about 10 seconds. Watch for the pairing prompt before pressing other buttons. If the remote works only partly, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, and check for updates before replacing hardware. If the physical remote still fails, use the Fire TV mobile app as a backup so you can finish updates or pairing. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TV's article, model notes, and fallback options.